Let me just put in a picture to magnify. So let me use that picture there, Marion, for you. And let me show you two different ways of doing this. With this particular software, I have a navigation tool. Now, the nice thing about the navigation tool is I can just pull across the piece that I want, so it shows it in large. But if I look at this little area here, I've got a small rectangle, and if I didn't quite capture the piece I wanted, I can just move it in very fine detail around the diagram. Let me take that back to 0 and turn that off. The other possible way of doing it is with a spotlight function. So let me just produce the spotlight function for you. So my spotlight's here. So let me just find my spotlight. It's now gone on to spotlight. I can make my spotlight larger and smaller, but I can also use it to magnify up. So it's now magnifying times about 3. And as I say, I can pull that out. I could also, if it's something I didn't want the children to see all of at the same time, wander through and show them bits. The children to see all of at the same time. Magnifying functions there. Wander through and show them bits. Does that answer your question? So there's 2 magnifying.
I think that should be great. I'm conscious now that it is 5 o'clock, so yeah, Marion said yes, thanks. So I suppose unless there's anything very pressing, I think I'll just take the last minute just to say thanks to everyone. If you do have any more questions that you really want Michele to answer, then just send me an email. You all have my email. I'll type it into the chat there in case you don't. And you can send them to me, and I'll pass them on and get you an answer, and I can email you back the answer. So other than that, just thank you all for attending the session. Again, apologies for slight technical difficulties at the start, but these things do happen. And of course, Michele, thanks a million for all the effort you put into making the presentation and for delivering it. It was really good and really informative.
Thank you.
So other than that, I'll just encourage you all to watch other sessions that have been recorded previously, and of course future sessions in the initiative. And thank you all for coming, and thanks again, Michele.
Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot, guys. I'm going to end the session now, so thanks a million.